Hi everyone, I'm Cece. Welcome to my channel. This is my first ever recorded video and I am so nervous. I'm not sure you can tell, but I am so nervous that I don't even know how I'm gonna start this. Decided to do an unboxing video. June is my birthday month, so I have been waiting for the right time to record this video. I wanted to do my hair, I want to get my nails done, but you know what, I just have to get started. So yes. So the first one that I have here is a dress, and it is so silky. It is a black little dress, very simple, and as a matter of fact, I might be wearing it tonight because me and my husband are going for a movie night, and I haven't been to movies for a very long time, ever since COVID and even before COVID. So it's been almost 3 years that we haven't been to a movie, and I'm very excited. So we'll see how it goes. So I might be wearing this tonight, and it's so silky smooth. So yes, it should be comfortable for the night. And the second thing that I want to unbox with you, it is this tiny little box here. It is from the same company or brand, I should say, from the dress I just showed you before. They're very simple. I think they're daily essentials, so hopefully I could get to use it soon, because now I'm just wearing 6 dots every day. So I might change it out because, you know, I'm very busy every day, so I don't have the time to change my jewelries every day or so. And the next thing that I want to unbox is this box here, and we all know what this is. This is Chanel, and this is by far one of my most favorite brand. I wouldn't say it's my favorite, but I would say at the very least one of my favorites. And if you're asking me what my favorite is, I haven't really settled on any, so let's just unbox this. And I actually bought this pre-loved because you're gonna see it's a seasonal piece. I bought it from Vestia Collective. Ready? Are you ready for this? Ta-da! Ta-da! Is this cute little, I don't know what you call this one. It looks very rough if you just look at the surface of it, but actually it's very buttery smooth, and I was actually surprised when I got it in the mail and I opened it, and the moment that I touch it, so the texture was just so smooth. So you open it like this, and the lining is this floral interior. I absolutely falls for the interior. It's one of the reasons why. It's this logo right here. It is ceramic, I believe. The material is ceramic, and it's a nice little flower on the corner. So I find this very extremely cute. I did buy it pretty love, but it's in pretty good condition. So I'm excited that I may use it one day, soon in the future. Because the thing about me is that I don't tend to use things that I bought new right away. That's a very bad habit of mine. And I don't tend to use the things I buy right away. I just feel like I gotta find a special moment to use it or something. I don't know. I'm just weird that way. And the next thing is this little bag here. See, I bought it from Reebok. Right, this is the first thing you're probably gonna learn about me. I love to buy things that I pre-love, and I'm gonna explain why like a lot in the future, but sometimes I just feel like it's the best place to look for things that you miss out. And are you ready for this? So here comes the bag. It is one of the previous Christmas animation pouch. I still have the tag. As always, I haven't used it, and I've been waiting to do the unboxing, so it is so cute. And you know, like the colors in person, it's just so vibrant, and it is so pretty. And if I open this up, you can see The interior is also in the same color, matching color as the leather tag right here. I never regret making that decision because it's so pretty. It's just so cute. Yay! So, and I have one last thing. Actually maybe two. This is the second last thing that I haven't opened. Is birthday card, and this is a gift from my in-laws. I'm trying to open this. Excuse me. Oops, I haven't read it because isn't it cute and pretty? Oh my god. My in-laws, they always pick up like the prettiest or the nicest gift cards. I mean birthday cards or cards in general. It says, daughter-in-law, hope your birthday just like you. Oh. And it is a gift card. It's 11. Yeah, I'm just reading a message, and it's a gift card. That's just like what I asked for, and I'm just gonna use it because I'm very particular. It's a long time for me to get to shop and look for things I like. So typically, I usually, if I don't have something that I wanted at the time, around my birthday or holidays, Christmas or whatsoever, I would say, just get me a gift card from this place that I usually shop at. And you know, I always go for things that I really set my heart on. Okay, and one last thing. Hopefully you guys still have a good time so far, because I hope I'm not making this very boring. But yes, the last thing is the amount of stuff that they have is just tremendous. Like you can basically get almost anything that you can think of from there, well, except clothing. They have started selling shoes lately, and they definitely sell jewelry, and they definitely sell handbags. It's such a handbag heaven, like if you ever visit one of the showrooms, and we're lucky enough because recently they opened one up in New York City. So I'm hoping maybe one day I could have a chance to go visit, because I know they have a lot of Birkins and Kellys. So enough talking, so let's open this up, and I'm pretty excited. You ready for this? I haven't opened this. I have been holding myself to even open the box just for this unboxing, because I haven't seen it myself yet, not this one. So actually this is usually what it comes with. It's just more like a packing slip, a nail file. As always, they give you a nail file for every order. And you ready for this? It's Cartier. I have been wanting this for the longest time ever, and let's show you this. It's definitely a piece of jewelry, as you can tell by the box. So let's open this up, and then you'll see. This way you see. Oops, it's not a very nice presentation. This is like the card for the authenticity, and right here, as you can see, this is the Juste and Clou, I hope I say it right, in pink coat. Let me get this out so I can probably try it on. And let's see. Oh my god, just let me have a moment to appreciate this. It's just so pretty. It's very shiny. The condition that they listed for is excellent, but I would say this is like new. It's like new. I don't think the person would recently use it at all. So let's try this on. I think I'm better at this. So yeah, here is my current temporary stack, and I am very, very happy that I finally got this, because I've been wanting this for the longest time, and you can see it's very pretty. I love it. I just love it. My everyday piece now, instead of the Cartier love, because the love, it just, as everyone knows who owns it knows, it's just impossible to get it out easily. You have to use a screwdriver to unscrew it every time, and I just find that very inconvenient sometimes, especially on days that I want to change up my jewelry, my bangle, because I love bangle. I'm a bangle person. To wear other bangles, it's just so inconvenient. So basically I just give up on the idea of switching out the bangle. So if I'm gonna wear this as my daily piece of jewelry, I probably can just take this one. So that's all. That's my first YouTube video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed so far. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye bye.